Welcome to online classes. I will explain the remaining part of page number 13. Before explaining remaining part, I will refer 2-3 sentences from the first lecture as a continuation. I have heard that this has happened before, said Father, but I have never seen it until now. Look at him, he is not afraid. Suddenly it was dark and Shere Khan was pushing his great head in through the mouth of the cave. This already explained, so now I will explain from remaining part. We are pleased that you visit us, Shere Khan said Father Wolf, but his eyes were angry. What do you want? Father Wolf told to Shere Khan, the one-leg injured tiger, that they were delighted as he visited their den where they were living. Shere Khan, the tiger, was annoyed. Again, Father Wolf asked Shere Khan, what did he require? Explanation 2. After seeing Shere Khan, the one-leg injured tiger, Father Wolf said him that they were satisfied as Shere Khan visited their den. Shere Khan's face grew red. Shere Khan's face grew red with anger. Father Wolf inquired that what did he demand. The next explanation. Father Wolf seen Shere Khan, the one-leg injured tiger, and said that they were happy as Shere Khan visited their cave where the Wolf family were living. Father Wolf observed the face of the Shere Khan, the one-leg injured tiger. He felt that Shere Khan was displeased. Then Father Wolf inquired what was he looking for. Next, I am hunting a man's cub, said Shere Khan. Its father and mother have run away. Give it to me. Here is the explanation in 3 ways. Shere Khan, the tiger, told that he was searching a man's kid. Its parents had run away. He told that Father Wolf. He told to Father Wolf to transfer kid to Shere Khan. Now, explanation 2. Shere Khan, the tiger, said that he was looking a man's child. Its parents drove away from the forest. Then Shere Khan requested Father Wolf to hand over the kid to him. Third explanation. Shere Khan, the tiger, declared that he was chasing a man's child, its parents escaped from the jungle. Shere Khan, the one-legged injured tiger, commanded Fatherul to present the key to Shere Khan. Now next explanation will start from here. Fatherul knew that Shere Khan could not get inside the cave because he was too big. Here is the explanation of this sentence. It was known to Fatherul that Shere Khan could not enter inside the cave, or you can say den, because the Shere Khan's figure was very large in compare with the cave mouth. Next explanation. Fatherul realized that Shere Khan would not set foot inside the cave because the Shere Khan had gigantic figure. Now explanation 3. Fatherul recognized that Shere Khan could not get inside the cave because the Shere Khan had huge figure. That was the explanation.